Welcome back to ASP Productions. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix your dried paintbrushes. So as you can see, I have 4 dried paintbrushes over here, and each one of them are hard and solid as a brick. So they are really hard that I cannot paint, and I have had this a lot of times. So I'm going to be showing you 2 ways how to deal with this. For the first method, you need 3 items. So the first one is a container, and this can vary from the sizes you have and the majority of paintbrushes you are going to use. The second thing you need is nail polish remover, and it can be from any brand. And the third thing is dried paintbrushes, of course, because if you don't have paintbrushes, then how are you going to fix them? For the first step, you need to pour in the nail polish remover into the container. The second step is to pour in your paintbrushes and dip them into the nail polish remover. So as you can see, the colors changed and it turned into brown. So the remover should be the color of the paint you have on your dried paintbrush. So now after swirling in your paintbrush for a few minutes, you should see some slight changes. So as you can see, this paintbrush was purple and now it has turned into the bristle color, which is brown. And it also has been more softer and more capable of painting. Same with this one, it also got more wider and you can paint more with it instead of painting with a hard paintbrush. It has also changed color. It was first brown and now it's the bristle color, which is dark brown. Next, put in your paintbrush into the hot water, but remember to be careful since the hot water can burn you. So now after you have dipped your paintbrushes into the hot water for a few minutes, take them out and you can see a slight change into the color, but not that much because the hot water didn't take the color off it that much. But as you can see, it has been more softer, and this one was originally black and now it is turning into its bristle color, which is brown. Same with this one, and it is more softer and you can actually paint with it. This one is black, and as you can see, there was red and now it's turning to a light pink, and on the other side it's turning into its original color, which is green. If you like this video, remember to subscribe and like. Thank you!